Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on adding a smooth area chart to a report. The smooth area chart allows you to showcase the difference between minimum and maximum values over a certain time period, with data points that are connected by smooth curves. First, let's create a new report. Create a new report, and name it Smooth Area Chart. You can learn how to create your first report from the link provided in this video's description. Then, create a dataset to assign the data in the chart. Create a new data source using JSON Data Connector, name it Efficiency Details. And click the Connect button to create a new dataset. Name it Efficiency Dataset. And click the Finish button. I have also provided a link to a video on creating a data source and dataset using a JSON Data Connector, and a link to the JSON query in this video's description. Now, let's add the smooth area chart to the report. Drag and drop the chart from the item panel to the designer surface. You can also add the chart by right-clicking the design area, and then clicking Insert in the context menu. The list of report items that can be added will be displayed. You can add the chart by selecting Chart, and then Smooth Area. You will also see the chart properties displayed. They are divided into 13 categories based on their usage. Since we can assign any value from the database to the smooth area chart, the Data tab is enabled. The name field represents the name of the smooth area chart. You can change the size of the chart by extending the corners, or by dragging the points at the center of each side. I resize the chart according to my requirements. Now let's assign data to the smooth area chart. To assign data, click the Data tab in the Properties panel. The Data panel will open, and you will see fields in the dataset displayed. If you have multiple datasets, you can select the dataset you require by using the Dataset dropdown. The numeric columns and numeric expressions are listed in the Measures section. And the remaining types of expressions and dimensions are listed in the Dimensions section. Drag and drop the percentage field from the Measures section to the Y-value section. By default, the sum aggregate function will be applied to the expression. You can change the aggregate function by clicking the Settings button. The context menu will be displayed. Click the Aggregate option, and the list of aggregate methods will be displayed. You can also change the aggregate function using the Expression option. Click the Preview button. You will see the smooth area chart with the sum of the percentage values. Click the Design button. I drag and drop the year field from the Measures section to the Column section. On previewing the chart, we see the efficiency percentage value is measured against each year. You can group the fields by adding them in the Rows section. I drag and drop the country field from the Dimensions section to the Rows section. While assigning each field, the chart will be refreshed in the design area. On preview, the efficiency percentage value is grouped based on the country field value and measured against each year. Now let's format the smooth area chart. To format the chart, click Properties. The Property panel will be displayed. Under the Appearance category, I changed the border style to double. Border color to black. And thickness of the border to 1.833. Under the Chart Area category, I enable the Show Border property. In the Border property, I changed the border color to black. Thickness to 2. And select the Chart Palette property, Pacific. Under the Title category, I enter Efficiency of Oil-Fired Power Production. Under the Node Data category, I enter Node Data to display. Under the Category Axis category, I enter Year. You can customize the font in the Axis Title property. Click the icon next to the Axis Title property. And select Advanced. In the Advanced properties, I change the font size to 13. And font weight to bold. Under the Value Axis category, I enter the Axis Title value as Efficiency. And change the font size to 13. And font weight to bold. Under the Miscellaneous category, I set the tooltip value to Efficiency of Oil-Fired Power Production chart. Click the Preview button. You will see the smooth area chart rendered in the Report Viewer control. When hovering over the chart, you will see the text entered in the tooltip property displayed. In this video, I showed you how to add a smooth area chart to the Report Designer control, and how it is rendered while previewing it. We are planning another video that explains the properties available in the chart report item. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.